Spring is the perfect time to refresh your home with light, warmth, and rustic charm without spending a fortune. In today's video, we're exploring budget-friendly spring farmhouse decor ideas that combine DIY creativity and repurposed treasures to transform your living space into a cozy rustic retreat. From charming vintage accents to simple handmade decor, these ideas prove that beautiful farmhouse style doesn't have to be expensive. If you love cozy interiors, rustic textures, and creative decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments about your favorite farmhouse decor style. Let's begin this inspiring spring transformation together. Embracing light and natural spring colors. One of the easiest ways to refresh a farmhouse interior for spring is by introducing soft natural colors that reflect the season. Think warm whites, sage greens, dusty blues, and gentle beige tones that brighten the space while maintaining a rustic atmosphere. Swapping heavy winter textiles for lightweight linen pillow covers, cotton throws, or simple floral fabrics can instantly create a fresh seasonal look. Even small changes, such as adding mason jars filled with wildflowers or placing a woven basket of fresh greenery on a wooden table, can transform the mood of a room. These simple updates bring a breath of spring into your farmhouse home without requiring a big decorating budget. Repurposed vintage finds with rustic character. Farmhouse style thrives on history and character, making repurposed vintage pieces a perfect decorating solution. Old wooden crates can become charming storage boxes or rustic side tables, while antique ladders can be transformed into unique blanket displays. Weathered window frames, thrifted picture frames, or reclaimed wood boards can also be turned into beautiful wall decor. The beauty of repurposed farmhouse decorating is that each piece tells a story and adds authenticity to the space. Visiting flea markets, thrift stores, or even exploring your own storage area can reveal hidden treasures that bring personality and warmth into your spring farmhouse decor. Simple DIY farmhouse decorations anyone can make. DIY decor projects are a wonderful way to personalize your farmhouse interior while keeping costs low. Creating a rustic centerpiece with a wooden tray, candles, and seasonal greenery can instantly elevate a dining or coffee table. Handmade wooden signs with simple painted lettering, distressed frames filled with botanical prints, or hand-wrapped twine vases can also add charming farmhouse details. These projects don't require professional skills, just creativity and a few affordable materials. The joy of DIY decorating is that every piece feels meaningful and unique, helping your home reflect a warm, handcrafted farmhouse aesthetic. Cozy rustic textures that transform the atmosphere. Texture plays a major role in creating the cozy feeling that farmhouse homes are known for. Natural materials like jute rugs, woven baskets, reclaimed wood furniture, and linen curtains bring depth and warmth to a room. Layering these textures helps create a comfortable environment that feels welcoming and lived in. Adding small touches such as burlap table runners, vintage ceramic pitchers, or rustic wooden trays can enhance the farmhouse charm without overwhelming the space. These subtle details make your home feel relaxed and inviting, perfectly capturing the cozy spirit of spring farmhouse living. Conclusion: a beautiful farmhouse style on a budget. Decorating your home for spring doesn't require expensive makeovers or luxury furniture. With a little creativity, repurposed materials, and a love for rustic charm, you can create a beautiful farmhouse-inspired space that feels warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. Whether you're crafting simple DIY decor, styling vintage finds, or adding natural spring accents, every detail contributes to a cozy rustic home filled with character. If you enjoyed these budget-friendly farmhouse decor ideas, don't forget to subscribe to All Rustic, like this video, and leave a comment sharing which DIY idea you want to try first. Thank you for watching and see you in the next cozy home inspiration video.